All right. All right. All right.
Happening successfully or without problems.
Did the interview go all right? Did he do all right in his exams? Did you get home all right last night?
Used to agree to a suggestion or request.
How about going out for dinner? All right. Can we leave at 6? All right.
Clever. Clever.
Able to learn and understand things quickly and easily.
Both children were clever. She was very clever at maths.
Factory. Factory.
Factory. Factory.
A building or set of buildings where large amounts of goods are made using machines.
A car or shoe factory. He works in a paint factory. A factory worker or manager.
To make. To make.
Make. Make. Maker, make. Made, made.
To produce or create something.
Shall I make some coffee? He made us some lunch. She makes all her own clothes. Picnic. Picnic.
A meal that you make and take with you somewhere to eat outside.
If the weather's nice, we could have a picnic in the park. Why don't you take a picnic with you? A picnic area or lunch or table. See. See. Seeing, saw, seen.
To notice people and things with your eyes.
Turn the light on so I can see. I can see you. The teacher could see that the children had been fighting.
Used for saying goodbye to someone.
See you. Have a good journey.
Used for saying goodbye to someone you are going to meet again later or soon or tomorrow, etc.
I'll see you later.
To meet or visit someone.
We're seeing friends at the weekend. No one has seen much of Daryl since he got married. They see a lot of each other at weekends.
Mobile. Mobile.
Mobile. Mobile.
A mobile phone.
Can I use your mobile?
A bus. A bus.
Bus. Bus.
Buses.
A large vehicle in which people are driven from one place to another.
You should take the bus if you want to see the sights. I decided to go by bus.
City. City.
City. City.
City. City.
A large town.
The city of Boston. The city center. Wellington is the capital city of New Zealand.
window, window,
window, window,
A space usually filled with glass in the wall of a building or in a vehicle, to allow light and air in and to allow people inside the building to see out.
Is it all right if I open or close the window? He caught me staring out of the window. I saw a child's face at the window.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
Used to apologize for something you have done.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Tom, I'm really so sorry about last night, it was all my fault.
to begin, to begin,
Begin. Begin. Beginner, beginning, begin. Beginning, began, begun.
To start to happen.
What time does the concert begin? The film they want to watch begins at 7.
cake, cake,
Cake. Cake.
A sweet food made from flour, butter, sugar, and eggs, mixed together and baked.
Chocolate cake. A birthday cake. Would you like a piece of or a slice of cake?
to ask, to ask,
Ask. Ask.
To say a question to someone which you want them to answer.
She asked me a question. Can I ask you something? She asked me about my parents.
shop, shop,
Shop. Shopping. Shop.
A building or part of a building where you can buy things.
A clothes or music shop. I need to go to the shops, I've got no food in the house.